What's going on, everybody? Welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix the GTA 5 enhanced the Rune64.dll problem. So if you turn around the game, you will get this problem right here. The Rune64 couldn't load, couldn't find. Okay, so this is very simple to fix. Just follow my steps and let's get started. So first open your Windows start bar and then search for a virus. Open it up and then go to the protection history right here. Click on this option in the first one. You can see the thread quarantine, which is the Rune64.dll. So all you guys gotta do is just click on actions right here, click on restore, click yes, and that's all you guys gotta do to fix it. Because the file was like discovered from the Windows security as a virus, but it's not. Just click on restore it and then you will be able to play the GTA 5 with no problems like this. So I'm gonna show right now that it works by opening the game. And that's it. As you can see, guys, the game works perfectly fine right now by just restoring this DLL file. So if you guys have any question or it didn't work, just let me know down below in the comments and I will reply to you guys as soon as possible. Also be sure to subscribe and like the video, and I will see you guys next time. Till then, peace out.